This is an apple. And this is Mariah. Let's see if Mariah wants an apple. You want an apple? You really gotta bite it. You gotta bite it. You gotta bite it. Come on, Mariah. You gotta bite it. She wants an apple. Gotta grab it. You gotta take a chunk off. Don't bite my finger, though. Okay, let's try this again. I'll cut off a piece for Mariah. Oh, wait. I will. What did I do? Okay, it's still recording. Now, please don't take this video down because I brought a knife. Oh. Okay. Boom, I got a bit of apple for Mariah. Now, let's see if she wants an apple. Put this apple down. Come on, Mariah. You gotta bite the apple. You like that? You like it? You like it? Does it taste good? Does it taste good? I guess she loves apples. Oh my gosh, she loves these apples. Do you like it? She's going in for more. She loves it. Oh my gosh. Look at that. You okay? I heard an apple was healthy for them, but seeds weren't the healthiest diet for them. So we switched to pellets. I don't know if you can see that. There's pellets in there. They smell good. And Mariah loves apples. Stuff tastes good. Okay, I think that's enough apple for you. Oh, wait. Turns out I just ate off of her bite. Don't worry, I'm not gonna get sick. Even though I just ate a part of the bite of the apple that Mariah bit. So yeah. Mariah used to always eat seeds, but now she likes pellets and other stuff. I'm like, really? I think she likes sweet stuff. Something like the taste of fruit or those bird pellets. Honestly, I don't know how those bird pellets taste. I've never eaten them. Yeah. So Mariah does like apples.